Many users struggle with common Apple TV annoyances without realizing the perfect solutions are built right into the device. In today's video, we are unlocking the ultimate hidden features, secret tricks, and hidden settings for your Apple TV, whether you are a brand new user or a long-time owner. These amazing hacks will completely change the way you stream, play, and watch your favorite content. First, we tackle that annoying profile selection screen. Nobody wants to log in every single time they turn on their television. We will show you exactly how to bypass this screen in your settings, we also cover how to easily set up a guest profile so your friends and family can watch without messing up your personalized algorithms. Next, we dive deep into the Siri remote. Access the control center instantly, jump straight to the main menu from anywhere, and even perform a quick soft reset if your remote ever stops responding or freezes. Are you tired of the incredibly clunky typing experience on the screen? We have got you covered. Plus, we remind you of the magic of using your synced iPhone or Apple Watch to type. The Apple TV now offers fantastic native Formula One support. We explore the dedicated sports toolbar, where you can find upcoming race schedules, depth statistics, and detailed track information. It is an absolute game changer for F1 enthusiasts who want to follow the season closely. Multitasking on a TV? Yes, it is totally possible. With just a tap of your remote, privacy and global streaming are more important than ever right now. That is why we are thrilled to show you how to download and use native VPN apps directly from the Apple TV App Store. Unlock international content from the comfort of your couch. Bothering your sleeping partner? You have a secret accessibility shortcut that applies a deep dimming filter to your screen with just 3 simple clicks. Say goodbye to lost remotes forever as we show you how to use your iPhone as a fully functional backup remote, and how to track down the newer USB-C Ariums, my opinion. It might be a bit more expensive than a basic streaming stick, but the buttery smooth, completely ad-free interface makes it stand out. The incredible ecosystem integration and powerful processor make it worth every single penny. It respects your privacy, does not push annoying home screen ads, simply works flawlessly every time you turn it on. If you found these tips helpful and liked the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.